Assalamualaikum guys, what's up, what's going on? In this video I'll show you how to change your cursor like this, and even you can further tweak it according to your choice. Simply you need to type here the mouse, just click on the Windows icon, then type mouse and then go into the mouse settings. Once you here, you need to see here the cursor speed, multiple lines at a time, on screen at a time. So this is the actually will work. If you want to tweak here, you can scroll inactive windows when I hover over them. So basically inactive, it's about inactive windows. For example, there's two folders right now opening like this, and now see, you can see here the page, it's inactive, but still I can scroll it. And if I select this, I can still scroll the lower folder that is actually not active. I did not click on it. So this is the function of hover mode. Anyways, now in the additional mouse options, you can just simply go here. Make sure if you are a gamer, then just turn off this option, enhanced pointer precise. Just uncheck this option and it's on you. Actually, if you are a low DP player, then you can select it low, further low. If you are a high DP player, then you can increase it. Basically I'm kinda low, but this is fine for me right now. Anyways, you can also add this option, and this is just like this, short and long. Might be it's not working properly right now for me because of the screen recorder. It's not capturing it properly, but you can try it. It's just like a trail. Anyways, you can also find your mouse show location of pointer when I press the CTR key. So when you apply this option, see, it's easy to find your cursor. Sometimes you are using the white wallpaper or something else that kind of hard to find your mouse sometimes. So you can check this option as well. You can also change your cursor different styles and different size from here, but I'm not suggesting these because these are just olders. You can simply go here, adjust mouse and cursor size. Once you here, you can just select your cursor different colors. By the way, this is my favorite, so I'm selecting it right now. You can also increase the size of your cursor, and you can also decrease it. And also you can check this option if you want inverted option. Basically it's work on the black and white. This is the different actually method. As you can see now, my mouse is just on the white color, it's showing black, and on the black it will show white. As you can see here, when you go on the whiter, it will show you the black icon, black cursor. But this is the colorize. If you like the color one, then you can simply go here, select different colors according to your these settings, suggested pointer colors, or you can simply go here, pick a custom pointer color. You can just create a custom color for yourself. That's it. Now make visual feedback for touch point darker and larger. You can also check this option. I cannot explain it more betterly. Make visual feedback for touch points darker and larger. Okay, I don't know what is that. Okay, I don't know about this feature, but if you know, just let me know in the comment section. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friends. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, so I'll guide you properly. See you, bye bye.